there, over there, over there. Some guys asked us if we wanted to go for a jet boat ride on the river to look at the rapids firsthand. We said, sure, why not? I mean, the rapids are, everybody said they're amazing. There's 4 different sets of rapids. I think the ones we're gonna go to are Drowned Man Rapids. Sounds like a nice friendly spot to go visit, the Drowned Man Rapids.
How's it going?
How are you now?
Here we go, buddy. Extreme shallow. It says extreme shallow on the boat. I am worried.
Oh, my son, never wear flip-flops because then you're never prepared for all. What if you got to throw down with somebody? You can't do it in flip-flops,
No.
man. Well, there's been quite a few deaths in this area, you know, just not because it's anything super dangerous or anything. It's just there's a lot of current here.
Yeah.
A lot of undertow. Like you could throw in a 10-pound rock right here and it'll go 10 feet before it sinks at about 40 knots.
Are you trying to freak me out?
No, I'm just saying.
I'm just teasing.
Yeah.
But it's that strong, eh?
It's pretty powerful.
He said it's called the Rapids of the Drowned for a reason.
Yes.
He's like, he just looked out and had a moment and he's like, lots of people have drowned here.
Yes, there you go. That is a river where most people do not swim. An amazingly wide river, an amazingly powerful river, and an amazingly dangerous river.
We lost a drone here.
Matt was doing some drone shots, of course. Matt thinks he's the world's best drone operator. Matt, who lost the drone?
I did.
Where's your drone, Matt?
It's gonna beep.
Go, Matt, go. Where's the drone, little buddy?
Go, bro.
No, I don't want to help. I just want to torment him.
$300 eBay drone here.
$1,500.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus walked through the mud too, Mike.
That's right. Okay, Matt, we're all 150 bucks an hour here, so. Yeah, fuck, I'm cheap. Here we are, guys. We're in the middle of Fort Smith, just underneath the rapids of the Drowned, playing Find My Drone. Brought to you live by Matthew, Bad Operator Shootshot.
It was a good shot though. Okay, everyone just be quiet for a second. Mike, make sure your finger's not over the microphone, the camera there. You're
Matt, I'm gonna take my finger and put it where you don't if you don't shut
Holy
up. Look at here, it's right over there somewhere, Matt. It's over there, isn't it?
Just walk across?
Here, Matt, there's a sacred pelican feather, Matt.
Is there?
Yeah, go for it, Matt. Just walk across right there.
No,
I'll film it.
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're such a
Okay, the battery is.
It's right there.
Holy. Hopefully it was like a nice soft landing, Mike.
Oh, the little puppy says, I'm not getting back on the boat. Not the boat. Please, please, not the boat.
Come on, get in here.
I'm super intense, I know. Sometimes.
You're the poor operator, not me.
It was a good shot.
Okay. Did you get the shot?
I'm pretty sure. The closer to drone death,
Yeah,
the better the footage.
Okay, jump, Matt.
Okay.
Jump as far as you can.
Mike, you got the shot? Victory!
Yes! Thank God he had the beeper function on and it was still making noise, or we would have never found it.
And it's intact.
Got the shot, we found the drone. Amazing. Okay, we'll quit it beeping.
Okay, yes. I'm just like, hold on, let me put it back up in the air.
Okay, get it back. How much battery do you have left?
But we don't need water.
Look at my set. Just took a little bit of grass stains on there.
Yeah, yes, Matt,
Took a
yeah.
little bit of a tumble. Okay, let's see if she'll fly, Mike.
Okay, Matt, get her in the air.
As it flies into my face. Yes, sir!
Okay,
All right.
Michael,
Ready?
we're ready.
welcome to TV, Newly.
All right,
What
let's
a
get
bunch of going on,
Matt,
eh?
sit down and buckle
Just
up.
trying to get the drone.
Panic mode. Full-fledged panic mode.
Thank you very much. That was great. Hey, let's go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank you very much.
breakfast.
Thank you so
Pelican.
much. Yes,
Matt's
breakfast on
buying
me
you
for all the
breakfast
boys.
at the Pelican.
You want to invite the boys over? And, yeah. Okay, breakfast on me, Mike.
As it should be.
From muscle car to muscle boat.
What are we doing? We're getting some license plate mounting hardware.
Why?
Because it's a 1970s Centennial 70 plate. I've heard they're very hard to find.
From where?
From the Northwest Territories.
There you go.
The polar bear, and it's blue, and it's rare plate. Actually, the skinny ones are the wide ones.
The skinny ones, so they pack better, no?
Both 20.
Okay, we'll take two of those. Yeah, but
This is for us in
this
case.
is for us, JIC. It's called just in case now.
Yes, couple of like flammable explosive bombs in the back seat.
Yes.
How many kilometers will this get us?
Well, you're looking at 10 gallons, almost 200 miles, 300K. Just
So
about.
that
As
should
long
be-
as we're going slow, yeah, that should get us wherever we go.
If we're stuck without, yeah.
If not, I got a siphon hose, and I hear you're really good at sucking.
Speaking of washing, hello, Michael. Or cleaning.
That's your side.
Can we finally? My side, yes.
That's your side. Look at my
All
side.
your
My
sides.
side is spotless as always.
And there's still a Dr. Pepper. Oh no, they're a Dr.
Look,
Pepper.
let's reuse this snot rag, shall we? Use, reuse, recycle, Matt. Here we go. Here.
Let's go to a gas station or garbage. Oh, we have one at the camp.
Yes. Okay, and because we have to go load up the shirts, it's time to get set up.
You gotta polish.
Polish it.
No, you gotta polish plate and
Yes.
pick and pick.
È una bella giornata oggi, Mathieu. C'est un bonjour aujourd'hui, n'est-ce pas, monsieur? Ooh, check this out.
Oh, damn.
Hey, you
That's
know,
right.
that's a good one, right?
Yep.
Oh, what do you think, Matt?
Yes.
Ooh,
yes,
baby.
that'd be cool.
I gotta watch out. Nobody. All the locals are gonna try and take. What's that guy doing with that plate? He doesn't deserve that plate. We drove the first 12 days with no plate because I forgot to put it on the first day. I said, how far can we go with no plate? So we went 12 days to the first show in Brandon and then stopped at this little gas station called the Gas Hole. And it was a Chevy dealer for like 90 years, and they check this out and see what's cool. It'd be a different color, right? So you know, just like this different decals we have in BC, different color for every year.
Yep.
So they just kept the same 64 plate, and then they kept just adding different tabs. Took me 69 years to get here.
You missed a spot. Oh, Mike, there's a scratch here. Careful.
This is a scratch,
Yes,
man.
it is.
That is a scratch. That was you leaning on
I
this
did not
yesterday.
lean.
You
I
leaned
didn't
on it
lean on it.
yesterday.
What?
Yeah, you did. You were leaning right there on the car.
When?
Show me the back of your pants.
What about them?
Oh, look, there's little steel tabs there.
Don't blame that on me. It'd be
Ah,
deep.
you were leaning there.
It'd be deeper.
You were,
Yes, I would be leaning like this.
yeah, right where the scratch is.
No.
See, right there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, Matt.
There's no tabs. There's actually no tabs on these things.
Yeah, but you weren't wearing those ones yesterday.
Yes, I was last night.
You're a liar.
I wear the same clothes over and over like you.
That's why we didn't polish it.
I'm bringing the garbage.
Maybe put that in the fridge.
Yes. Give me the stuff that's full. What is
This
that?
one's still good.
Yes, it's plugged into a battery.
Okay. Oh, that's my 10-footer.
Okay, that's.
Okay, we should recycle those. I gave a lot longer to see you.
Awesome.
15,000 and counting.
What's up, guys?
Hey, guys.
National Parks Depot, you get everything
I know, yeah, but it's
if you got the money.
ching, ching.
Yeah, I know. Don't tell the wife it.
Mike, so we're promising to go fuel up. You have premium, yes?
I don't have premium, no. You got premium in this thing, I can get it delivered for you, though.
Well, we're gonna be at my
Well, just stop by, come by.
You'll have a
Yeah,
hot
we'll
dog.
come by for a wiener.
Bring Mikey and Rod by, because they're friends of mine as well,
Okay,
right?
cool.
The guys from Buffalo, they're all buddies of mine, so yeah, bring them by. So,
Super wiener. Man, that's like a with ears.
That's not very nice, man. It's funny though. I love it. That's great.
Hang
so there's
on.
3 there for you.
Hang on, Matt. If we just put a little.
We might want to give that one to Avery.
Oh, thanks, man. What was your name?
Jamie.
Jamie, thanks a lot. Hey, guys, we are here at the Fireweed Festival. There's been some amazing talent playing up here. Band, there's a car show going on. Vendors, food vendors, arts and crafts. Right now we're going to have the young choir. We've got the band. The stage is set up. They've been some amazing local and imported musicians playing. So today I think this is the school band. We're gonna check it out.
Okay. That's nice.
It is nice. This is how you eat it. This goes so good with beer, but I quit drinking.
Mike's still flogging shirts.
Right to the last minute. Jolene, 40 bucks. And they'll e-transfer to you. Remember, guys, there's more money in swag than there is in playing music.
That's why we gotta get the t-shirts now. We have the hats.
Shirts is where it's at. Hey, you guys rocked, man.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you guys. Pleasure.
Meet you, man. It was awesome.
Appreciate it. Can we grab a photo with you with the band?
Early here.
Hey, Jolene, we'll grab a few photos here.
2, 1, go!
It was really cool. That, like, I mean, I've never seen this in action, but they've got to make these little cars out of balsa wood. They've got a weight restriction. They can't weigh any more than 5.3 grams or something. So it's basically just a little drop, like a Hot Wheels setup. And it was really cool seeing all these little kids in their little Hot Wheels cars, how they customized it. It's okay.
Right here.
Ready?
I don't.
3, 2, 1, go!
The tent won.
The tent won.
How's it going, man? Good tunes, buddy.
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Mike.
Mike, nice to meet
This
you.
is
Mike.
Matt.
Hi.
Hi, Matt.
Well, your voice is amazing.
Thanks so
And
much.
that was a wonderful performance.
Right
I just sat right down. I'm like, this guy's good.
All of the bands, all the performers were very talented, like I said, a total wide range of musical styles. There was heavy rock, there was ballads, there was, love songs, songs about the North. One of the best moments was all the little kids on their fiddles. Like I said, if you like music, you like different styles, Fireweed Festival could be right up your alley. Special shout out
Yes, tell me.
to the lovely man that gave us this Bison Edition Northwest Territories cigar box guitar.
Is that what it is?
Yes. Wait till Bill gets a hold of it. My brother Bill.
Yeah,
He will be
it's-
picking some tunes.
And with Disdain smashes it because he's angry for transporting t-shirts for you. Bill plays?
Yes.
Is he a picker?
Yes. And Rob plays.
Of
And
course
Sam.
Rob.
Everybody plays but me.
Kevin too?
Yeah, well, Kevin's musical, but he doesn't play. Hey, guys.
Oh god, is this blocked? I like this little thing.
Hey, guys. Have a good night.